Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Romesco sauce, and this is one of those sauces that I like to make a bulk amount of and then freeze it for later use. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So first I have my blender, and I've already put in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to go in with about half of these red peppers just so I have enough room to blend them all. And I'm also going to pour in some of the liquid from the jar. Now these red peppers came with some garlic in them already, but if you get some that don't have any, you want to go ahead and add in about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and then just go ahead and give this all a good blend. Go ahead and take this first batch and just pour it into a bowl and set it aside, and we're going to move on to the next half. So add in the remainder of your red peppers and some of that juice that it came with, and we're going to go in with some ground almonds. For any of the measurements, you can look in the description bar below where I will list all of them. We're also going to go in with a few tablespoons of lemon juice, and then we're going to season with salt and pepper. Then we're going to add in some dried herbs. I'm going in with parsley and basil. Again, I like to just do this to taste. I pretty much eyeball all of my ingredients. And then I'm going to add in a couple ladles of that already blended roasted red pepper. And this is just going to be to help it blend a little easier. And go ahead and blend your second batch. And then we're just going to make sure to scrape the edges throughout the blending process. You really want to make sure everything is incorporated and thoroughly blended. Then we're going to go ahead and add this to the bowl with the rest of the roasted red peppers. And you're just going to go ahead and scrape out that blender. You don't want to leave anything behind. And then give it all a good mix. This is a super simple recipe, but it tastes so good. And you do not have to keep this if you're planning on freezing it. You can just go ahead and freeze it at this stage, and if you want to cook with it, you just want to heat it through and you are good to go. Go ahead and just portion it into some jars if you're making a large batch as I am. And with that, guys, we are done this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every week. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. And make sure to comment below for what recipe you guys want to see in my channel next time. And until next time, guys, bye!